A hard day's work starts with protecting your eyes. Clipped. This is where wood comes from. And I'm going to teach you how to go from this to this. Welcome to my shop. That's a shop towel, nail gun. That's an Allen wrench, double-sided hammer mallet, sided hammer mallet, hammer salad. That's a Husky, the heavy-duty Craftsman. An Allied wrench. You can get them in packs. This one is 7 out of 16. It came in a 16 pack. Super cheap, super affordable. Shop dog. Those are some tools, some basic tools. Table saw. Now we're ready to work. Have a plan. Don't make any mistakes. It's wood, so you can only cut once. Or you can cut twice, but your chair is going to be a lot shorter. My name is Nerf Friz, and this is my master course! Let's get to work! Super, super helpful foot warmer for the shop. Just take it, put it on your foot. There you go. Done.